Good morning, riders. My name is Rick, and on this rainy morning, we're headed to Terry, West Virginia for my annual motorcycle meet. It took me about 6 hours with stops, but we made it there. This is the road into the campsite, and as you can see, a friend of mine's there taking a picture of me. I was too focused on not dumping the bike in the gravel. And when I pulled into the camp, my friends thought it'd be pretty funny to hide in the woods. They even got this random guy in on it too. Here's a view of the group's perspective. They got me, but I assumed they were just down by the river already. Once they came out, we had some food, swam in the river, did some hiking, and of course, plenty of riding.
Who's your daddy?
You'll notice I'm riding without gloves. I actually lost my gloves on this trip, and the pair that I picked up at Walmart ended up being too small. A friend on this trip also lost a glove riding out to the camp, and here you can see one of the locals actually found it and had it ready for us when we returned to camp. There was lots of little homes along the water too, and the actual road to the campsite was all gravel, which was a bit of a challenge. The location we picked this year is Army Camp, which is along the New River in New River Gorge National Park. The sites are free, but it's first come, first served with a 14-day maximum stay. It was a hot weekend, but it was a good time. Safe to say, this was one of those trips where I was so caught up in the moment that I didn't really document much. We all had a blast, and I thought I'd share some of the adventure. Thanks for watching.
Oh my god. Feeling alright?
Yeah, hungry.